Hello, my name is Frederick Anefi and you are welcome to the ET Consult Diaries. Today we have a question posed from one of our followers, and the question is, how do I extract the codes from this data? And the data is referring to regions and various codes. So we have the Ashanti Braham with its code, Ashanti with its codes. And the function we use to extract the codes from the parentheses is first search. So we use the search function. We open our parentheses and we are saying that search, go and find this parenthesis or bracket, you close the inverted comma within this text. So we want to know the digit in terms of characters is the 9th digit, that's the parenthesis is the 9th digit. So we double click to complete for all, and now we'll use the mid function, equal to mid function. Mid, you see, go and find, or within this text, let us know the start number. So that's what we search for initially, that's the character, that's the 9th digit with reference to the first one, that's Ashanti, the start number, comma, the number of characters. Since we want to have a very versatile formula, we can just choose maybe 100, and that's the number of characters it should take after the open parenthesis. So we close it and we enter. Voila. So now you can see that we have the codes with the parentheses, but we don't want the codes to be in the parentheses, we want the codes to stand alone. Simply we can just add a +1 to the digits, the character digits here for it to be 10. So we add a +1, we go to the formula bar and we do that and we enter. So automatically the open parenthesis is taken away. We double click, so all the open parentheses are no more. We can just copy and paste special at the same place so that the functions will not affect the cell text again. So now we just how to have the in there is just a general text, so the function is no more in there. Then we can just select the range and still use the find function shortcut key. We go to replace and we say that okay, you go and find the closed parenthesis and replace it with an empty space. So replace all, okay, close. You see that automatically we don't have the closed parenthesis anymore, and this is how fast and quickly you can do that. There are more options which you can really go around to really solve such a solution. Thank you very much and continue to follow us on ET Consult. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to post and we'll be glad to solve it for you. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.